Hi kids, hi to all of you. Good evening and very welcome in this amazing session of ODA. This is a YouTube session, right? I welcome all of you guys. I hope you guys are doing so great, right? So I'm back here. I'm back here again with very interesting topic, right? A topic, which we commonly use all the time. Right. So this is going to be the systems of numeration. Right. So mathematics is all about numbers. Why we invented mathematics? Because we realized that in daily life, we have to go through a lot of things. Counting, measurements, right? Mensuration. So many things are there. We have to go through that. And for that, we need a system, right? And mathematics is all about numbers because whatever we do, we need numbers for that. Right. So we started with some small numbers, and as we started evolving, okay, we found the need to have some big numbers, right? But when the big numbers came into the picture, it was difficult for us to read those numbers, understand those numbers, right? And that is where we found that there is a need to have a numeration system which can actually help us read, write, and speak a number. That is what we are going to talk about today. So, hi to all of you. Welcome back once again. Right, I'm your master teacher Rahul Chaudhary Bhardwaj. Right now, we are in the ODA class, right? And so we also have one app, right? We have our own app for that, right? So you can download that app from the Play Store. Link you can find in the description box. Not only that, since this is a YouTube session, so on the app, we are also going through multiple courses at the same time. So one such course I want to, talk about in this session before I really start the topic today. Right. So we are going to start a crash course program. Okay. Crash course program. It is going to start on Monday. Right. This Monday, the program is going to start. What is going to happen in this program? In this program, first of all, it is going to be a short-term program only for 1 week only. So there are going to be, this is going to be for 1 week only. There are going to be 6 sessions, 3 for the maths and 3 for the science, right? What exactly we are going to teach you? School curriculum? Yes. But apart from the school curriculum, we are also going to teach you Vedic matrix, and I will also be teaching you how you can prepare for Olympiads. So this is a three-in-one program. Right. Not only that, you are also going to get a personal teacher support. Now just imagine on daily basis you go through a lot of problem, confusion, queries, right? You need a partner, a helper who can really support you, help you with all of your doubts, queries, homework, school assignments, school exams, what else, right? We are going to provide you one such teacher, a personal teacher who will be guiding you daily, right? Just imagine how amazing that is going to be. We are also going to give you homework on the app itself. Whatever we are going to teach you, based on that, there will be homework, test we are going to conduct so that we can actually have a track, right? Like, how much you are able to understand in the class and notes. Last but not the least, we are also going to provide you support material so that you can have the best knowledge and information about that topic, right? That was all about the program. So you can simply enroll yourself in the program. The enrollment link you will also find in the description box. Okay? Yeah. So I hope by now all of you guys have joined. Now it's time to start the session. So my name is Rahul Chaudhary Bhardwaj. As I have told you, I have more than 4 years of teaching experience. I have mentored more than 25,000 students. Right? Shall we start the session now? Okay, yeah. Let's just start the topic, which is the systems of numeration. So as I was telling you guys, that system of numeration, why? Whatever we do in mathematics, it should always start with a why. Why are we learning about this topic? Otherwise, the education will become boring, don't you think? Teacher is teaching you something, you have no idea how you can do that, we are doing that, what is the need of that, what is the importance of that. The topic will become so boring. Let me start with this why only, that why, the system was invented and what was the need of that. What was the need to create these systems in the first place? Everything was going so smooth. We know 1, 2, 3, 4. We know how to add, how to subtract. What was the need of having this systems of numeration? right? So first of all, see, these systems were needed because when we write large number, yes, I was talking about the large number. When we write the large number, the commas help us read the number easily. As you guys know, the two systems that we are going to learn today, Indian system, international system, right? So through these system, we are going to introduce commas between the digits. Why? For what purpose? So that it becomes easier to read. It becomes easier to read. Let's start with one example so that you can understand this in a better way, right? I have a number over here. This number. Okay, if I suddenly pick you up and I ask you what number is this, you will be like confused. This is 3,000 No, this is 3 lakh, 3 crore, 34 lakh. You will be confused like this only. Am I right or not? Of course you will be, right? Because we never learned how to handle the large numbers. Small numbers are okay. Till thousands I'm okay. But with large number, it becomes difficult. And it happens actually. Sometime if someone give you a number like this, you are often confused. How to read this number? Is this number 3 lakh something, 3 crore something, 34 lakh something, 34 crore something? Right. All of us are confused. And that is exactly where the system of numerations are going to help us understand the numbers, read the numbers, and yes, also to write the numbers. Right. So this becomes easier to read if we write. Okay. It becomes easier to, this becomes easier to read if we write it as like this. Okay. Now I have written the number like this. Now it becomes so easy to read. This is 34 lakhs 53,872. The same number which was we were confused what to do, how to read it. Now it has become easier. Why? Because we have introduced commas in between the digits, and these commas are actually going to help us read a number. Okay, it won't take us more than few seconds to tell that the number is 34 lakhs 53,872, right? So just a small commas can really help us read a number. Okay? I hope you have understood this part. Right. So the two system of numeration which I was talking about, the first one is going to be the Indian system of numeration, which we use all the time. In India, we use this system of numeration. So we start with 1, then we have 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs, 1 crore, 10 crores. After crores also we have some other numerations, right? But let's just focus on these numerations first, right? Whenever we are going to represent a number, write a number, read a number in India, we are going to use this system of numeration. 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore, 10 crore. Understood? Right? Now let's see how we can use this system of numeration. For example, the number this. So here again we have a number, right? Without the commas, it is really problem for me. Even if you want to try, you can try that. Without the commas, it is really a problem, right? So this number I am going to represent like this with the help of the commas. How to put commas, I'll teach you. But as of now, just understand this number can be represented as this number in the standard Indian numeral system. Notice how the first comma is placed between the 3 and 9, and the second comma is placed between 7 and 3. Now let's talk about how to put the commas, how to place the commas. Okay? So in the Indian system of numeration, we always start putting the commas from the right hand side. So after 3 digits, we will place a comma, then after every 2 digits, right? So we start by placing a comma after the 3 digits, right? And then after every two digits. Why we do that? All of you guys know this part. Why we do that? Anyone knows the answer? Why we do like this only? Why can't we put after two, or why we can't put after three? Why this only? The reason behind this is, see, okay, these three numbers, they are representing in hundreds, 300 something. Okay, these two are going to represent thousands. Okay, 97,000. These are going to represent lakhs. And if there are two more numbers in front of that, they will be representing crores. So that is the reason why we start after 3, so that this can be included in hundreds, then after 2 for thousands, after 2 lakhs, and after 2 crores. That is the reason. Okay? Now let's try and learn. So here I have a number for you. Here I have a number for you. Where should we place the commas as per the Indian system? Where should we place the commas after the as per the Indian system? Can you guys tell me this in the chat box? Can you guys tell me this in the chat box? We always start from the right hand side. Let's go on the right hand side. The very first comma would be placed after the 3 digits, 1, 2, 3 here, and then after 2 digits, and then after 2 digits. Can you read this number now? Can you read this number now? The first comma here, this is for thousand. The second comma is for lakh, and this comma is for crore. Can you read this number now? This is 3 crores 49 lakh 65,732. How easy it has become. Once I have introduced commas, how easy it has become. Let's try one more example so that all of you guys can understand this in a better way. After this, I'll give you some quizzes to solve. So here we have a question. Where should we place the commas as per Indian system? Give this a try. Where can we put the commas? We always start from the right hand side. First comma after 3 digits. Okay. Next comma after 2 digits. Next comma after 2 digits. This comma is for thousand. This comma for lakh. This is for crore. Can you try reading the number? 25 crores 39 lakh 65,491. That is how we can read a number. That is how we can write a number. Understood? Give me some thumbs up in the chat box if you have understood where to place commas in the Indian system. Where to place commas in the Indian system. Right? If you guys have understood this, I am going to ask you a few questions now. First question, write the given number using commas, Indian system of numeration. So here we have a number. Okay, here we have a number. So big number, na? Without commas, it is really impossible to answer that within 2 to 5 seconds. This is almost impossible, right? But that is where we are going to put commas. So as per the Indian system of numeration, put the commas. Do let me know what is the answer. A, B, C, or D. These are the 4 options. Do let me know which one is the right answer. Come on. 7, 8, 5, 4, 3, 0, 1, 3. Okay. This is not someone's mobile number. Don't start calling this number, huh? Okay. I have taken this random number only. Okay. And moreover, it's a 9-digit number. It can't be a mobile phone, at least in India. ठीक है चलो give this a try quickly. I want you guys to give me the answer quickly. जल्दी से करके बताओ बेटा जल्दी से ठीक है. So as per the Indian system of numeration, we start from the right hand side. We put commas after 3 digits, then 2 digit, then 2 digit. Right? This number is 78 crore 54 lakhs 30,013. What is the right option? A, B, C, or D? Option B is the right answer. 78, 54, 30, 013. That is the answer. Understood? That is the answer. So that was the question number 1 for you. Let's try one more question. Let's have one more question. Again, a number is given to you and you just have to represent it in the Indian system. Okay? Represent that in the Indian system. Come on. In Indian system, this can be represented as how? Give this question a try. So we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a number. Okay, solve it. I'm so excited to see who will be giving me the fastest answer. Come on. In the chat box, please represent this number with the Indian system. Quickly, it won't take much time. It won't take much time. ठीक है? So starting from the right hand side, after 3 digits, after 2 digits, after 2 digits, right? So this is 1 crore 23 lakhs 45,678, option A. Have a look again. Have a look again. ठीक है? Have a look again. If this part is okay, give me some thumbs up in the chat box. Give me some thumbs up in the chat box if this part is okay to you. I hope by now you guys have understood how can we represent a number as per the Indian system of numeration. And this is very, very important because we are going to deal with bigger numbers from now onwards. In lower grades, there were small, small numbers. But as you are in class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, as you will go high and high, the numbers will start increasing as well. Okay? Now, so there is one child in the class. Okay, let's say there is one child in the class. I told him, okay, that I gave him a number. I asked him to represent that in the Indian system of numeration. He did like this. Okay, I asked him to rewrite the number to represent the number as per the Indian system of numeration. He did something like that. Do you think this is the correct representation as per the Indian system? Come on, have a look. Do you think he has done a right job? He has represented the number correctly as per the Indian system? No, right? Can you correct that? Because all of us are going to agree that this is not the right way. Okay, all of us are going to agree that this is not the right way to represent a number as per the Indian system of numeration. So shall we rewrite again? Can you do that, beta? That child is seriously not able to decide how we can do that. Can you help that child? Can you help that child rewrite the number, okay, in the Indian system? Help him. Okay? Help him rewrite the number. And here you have the four options. Do let me know which one is the right answer. Do let me know which one is the right answer. 551627907. How we can do that? We simply need to start from the right hand side. First comma after third digit, after 2 digit, after 2 digit. So 55 crore 16 lakhs 27,907. This is the correct representation. This is the correct representation. Okay, this is the correct representation. Just give me a sec. Okay, so here we have option B, the correct representation. Okay, understood this part? I hope you have understood this part. Yes or no? Let me know in the chat box, have you understood this part or not? Yes or no? Okay, nice. Okay, let's go next now. So we have learned how can we write a number, right? How can we represent a number? If a big number is given to us, how with the help of commas, we can represent that number, okay, as per the Indian system. Now, how to read that number, we are going to learn today. How to read that number, how to write that number. So a number is given to us. It says, write this number in words. So I have to write this in words as per the Indian system. Can we do that? I have to rewrite this number as per the Indian system. Can we do that? The very first thing that I have to do is I have to first of all represent this number as per the Indian system. Only then I will be able to write it in words. Let's do that. We have just learnt now. The number is 4965732. Let's try to represent it first. Let's put the commas at the right place. First comma would come here, second comma would come here. Okay, 4965732. So I have represented the number as per the Indian system. Now I need to write it in the words. So this comma is for 1000, this comma is for lakhs. Okay? So how can I write this? I can write this as this is 49 lakhs, 49 lakhs, right? Then we have 65,000. Okay, we have 65 thousands. So we have 49 lakhs 65,700. Seven hundreds and 32. 732. That is how I can write a number. Okay, that is how I can write a number. So 49 lakhs 65,732. That is how we can represent a number. Have you understood this part? Okay, have a look at the question, and if required, write it down in your notebooks also. Write it down. That is how we can write a number. That is how we can write a number. Okay, have a look. We'll do one more question. Have a look. We will do some more questions. Okay, it's very important to understand Indian system first before we go to international system. Okay. Okay. Now this question I want you guys to try. I will give you like what? 30 seconds. You want more time? 1 minute? Okay, I'm giving you 1 minute, guys. Here we have a question. Write it in words as per the Indian system. Your 1 minute. You have only 1 minute. Okay? Okay? You have 1 minute. And your time starts now. Complete 1 minute you have to represent this number as per the Indian system. Okay? I'm not going to help you. I'm just writing the number here. Yes. Can you do this now? 9572397. Represent this number. Write this number in words as per the Indian system. Come on. 30 seconds are over. You have 30 more seconds. You have 30 more seconds. Okay. Last 10 seconds. I hope you have got the answer already. You are so fast. Okay. 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 So first of all, let's put the commas at the places. Let's put the commas at the places. Right? So we can go like this. 95. We can go like this. 95 lakhs. 95 lakhs. And then 72,000. 95 lakhs 72. 72 thousands. And after that we have 397. 397. Easy peasy, na? Guys, what do you think? What do you think, guys? Wasn't this easy peasy only? Isn't this easy peasy only? You simply have to put the commas in the places first. You simply have to put commas in the places first. So 95 lakhs, 72 thousands, 397. 397. That is the way how we can do. This is how we can do. Okay, give me some thumbs up if you have understood this. Again, if required, write it down in the chat, write it down in your notebook. How we can write this number as per the Indian system in words. That is how we can write. That is how we can write. Okay? Okay. Few quizzes I will give you before I end the class. Few quizzes I will give you. Okay? So which numeral correctly shows? Which numeral correctly shows the position of commas in the number? Right? 25 crore, 80 lakhs, 62,000 and 193 according to Indian system of numeration. So here they have given us the numeral in the words. They are asking us which of them is the right representation of the same number. Okay, now I will tell you how we can do that. Okay, believe me, this is the easiest part. When a number is given in the words and you have to write it, okay, in the number, it is very easy to do. Let me show you how. The very first thing is 25 crores. 25 crores. So for the number 25, I will write 25. In place of crores, I'll put a comma. Okay? So 25 crores, write 25 as it is and then crores. Next, 80 lakhs. 80, 80, 80. And in place of lakh, what I will do? In place of lakh, I'll put a comma. 62,000. 62. In place of thousand, I will put a comma. Last we have 193. 193. 193. That is the way how we can write. This is the way how we can write. Now have a look on all the four options and decide which option is the right one. 25 crore, 80 lakh, 62,193. Option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. Okay, yeah. So let's have one last question for this session, right? Okay, this will be a homework question. Come on, quickly take a screenshot. This will be a homework question. After this, we will do one last question. Okay? This will be a homework question for you. I hope you have taken a screenshot, right? So one last question for this session today. In Indian system, this will be read as, and here we have the four options. Go. Right? You remember the process? First you have to do what? You have to represent this number by putting the commas at the right place. And after that, you will write it in this form, in the words. Quickly do that. Quickly do that. In Indian system, this will be read as what? A, B, C, or D. Have a look. Okay, I'm just here. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just here only. I'm just giving you full screen so that you can go through all the four options. But first of all, write that with the help of commas. Okay? Once done, then you can do that. Then you can write it. Okay? Quickly, I'm giving you 20 seconds. Only 20 seconds. Last question. Okay. Okay. Okay? ठीक है. चलो. Let's do it now. Let's do it. So here we have comma here. Okay, just give me a sec. Okay, so we have comma here, then here, then here. First comma is for thousand, second for lakh, third for crore. So what do we have here? We have 1 crore. We have 1 crore. Obviously, this is not the right option. 15 crore, not right, not right. So we have 1 crore. We have 1 crore. We have 1 crore. Next, we have 56 lakhs. 56 lakh, and here they are saying 6 lakhs only. No, this is not the right option. Three options have been cut it down. Only one option is left. Let's check if that is the right answer or not. So 1 crore, okay, 56 lakhs, 56 lakhs. Then we have 43,000, 43,000, and then 987. 987. Option A is the right answer. So that is how, guys, that is how we can do that. So in this entire session, okay, we have learned about Indian system of numeration. Okay, we have learned about Indian system of numeration. In the next session, we will be learning about the international system of numeration. Before I end the class, I just want to remind you guys about the live learning app that we have, which is easily available in the Play Store. You can directly go to Play Store, or you can do it using the link which is available in the description box. Let me remind you about the crash course program once again. So many amazing features we are giving you. Just give this a try. Just give this a try. The amazing part being, this crash course program is very much affordable. As per your classes, you will be getting this in 29, 49 or 99 rupees as per your classes. Okay, so go download the ODA app. Okay, so there you will be finding the option to enroll in our crash course program. Right now also you can click on the link on the screen. to enroll yourself in the crash course program, right? Right. So this is the link I was talking about, which is available in the description box. Click on that, enroll yourself. As per your class, you have to pay that affordable price, right? So that will be all for this session, guys. Join our ODA class. Okay, earn so many coins and redeem all these amazing gifts. That will be all for this session, guys. Thank you for coming. I hope you have understood each and everything. Give this video a like. Okay, share this video with your friends who are facing difficulty in this concept, and do subscribe, because next time I will be teaching you international system, and that is also very important. I'll see you guys in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.